Welcome back to Elbo's Garage. So, quick little project today. We're replacing a fast EFI system with a FiTech system. We're having issues with this system randomly stalling. I suspect it's either the TPS or maybe the idle air control valve not functioning properly. But since we don't have the handheld for it, we can't actually diagnose what the root cause is. So,
because FAST refuses to give it to us.
Yep. So I had a pretty good experience with a FiTech system, so I recommended this to my friend Christian, and we're going to give that a try today. So one thing I prefer the FiTech system over a lot of the competitors are no need for the wiring mess. Since the ECU has everything integrated within a throttle body, the wiring is much easier, so you kind of see the difference of what we have here versus what we're going to end up with. Alright, got everything plumbed and kind of wired in temporarily. Just got to tidy it up, but you can see it's a lot cleaner than what it was before, even just having the wires dangling without actually taping it up and making it look nice. So right now we're just going to configure the ECU and get ready to check for leaks. Alright, so we configured the FiTech system. We cycled, we checked for fuel pressure, or should I say, we checked for
fuel leaks.
So yeah, I think everything should be ready to do our first fire up. So Christian can do the honors.
All right, let's go ahead and try it.
So key on, let it cycle, and then turn it on, or try to turn it on. Alright, should I turn on? Not bad. First try, fire up. Alright. Tied up the wiring a little bit, but ready to go for our first drive. Alright. About to go for our first drive.
Just gotta find the key here. All right. We also don't have a nut on the steering wheel, so it can slide right off at any moment.
It is.
That the torque converter is too high. It's off.